If you're still wondering why Elon Musk, the billionaire behind Tesla, is so dedicated to Mars and keeps launching experimental spaceships from Texas, this is the video for you. Today, we're diving into the details of Elon's mission to the Red Planet. So, strap in, Mars, here we come. Welcome to the Tesla Space, where we cover the latest updates, news, and insights about Tesla, SpaceX, and all things Elon Musk. Interestingly, Elon founded SpaceX before he even got involved with Tesla. Though most know him as the electric car innovator, his passion for space has been at the core of his career. It all began after he made his first fortune by selling his PayPal shares to eBay in the early 2000s, pocketing about $180 million. Elon's initial vision for SpaceX was modest. He wanted to land a greenhouse on Mars, full of plants, to inspire humanity to return to space exploration, rekindling the excitement NASA once had during the 1960s race to the moon. But, as with most ambitious plans, it wasn't so simple. SpaceX took a side route, pioneering reusable rockets and building the largest network of telecommunications satellites to deliver high-speed internet globally. Each advancement in technology was a step toward the ultimate goal, getting to Mars. Now, the mission isn't just about landing a greenhouse, it's about establishing a city with 1 million people on Mars within our lifetimes. When Senator Bernie Sanders accused Musk of hoarding wealth, Elon responded, "I am accumulating resources to make life multi-planetary and extend consciousness to the stars." It's a grand vision, and each failed rocket test brings them closer to success. Building Starship. Getting people to Mars requires a new kind of spaceship, and that's where Starship comes in. Starship is designed to transport people and cargo to Mars and return them to Earth. It's big, powerful, and fully reusable, able to land itself and take off again. SpaceX made history by creating a rocket booster that can land and be reused, and Starship aims to do the same. In recent months, SpaceX has been testing Starship prototypes in Texas. The process includes launching up to 10 kilometers, doing a controlled descent, and finally reigniting the rockets to land. While the prototypes have ended up crashing, each test teaches crucial lessons. After perfecting Earth landings, SpaceX will aim for orbit. This involves an even larger rocket called Super Heavy, designed to lift a fully loaded Starship to Earth's orbit. SpaceX is aiming for this monumental feat within the next few years. Elon time and Mars timeline. Elon Musk has set an ambitious timeline to land humans on Mars by 2026, with a prior uncrewed mission by 2024. However, Elon time, Musk's famously optimistic deadlines, often stretches longer than planned. Experts believe a human Mars landing might be more realistic by 2029 or 2031 due to challenges and the narrow launch window to Mars, which aligns every 26 months. 1 million people on Mars? Musk's ultimate goal is a Mars city with a population of 1 million by 2050. This would require building 1,000 Starship rockets, each carrying 100 passengers and 100 metric tons of cargo, launching around 38 times per month over each 26-month period when Mars and Earth align. Elon envisions Mars as a new frontier, with jobs for all skill levels, offering loans for those who can't afford the journey up front. The journey and infrastructure. A Mars mission will begin with Starship launching into orbit atop Super Heavy, which will then return to Earth. In orbit, Starship will rendezvous with a tanker to refuel before heading to Mars, a journey that will take 6 to 7 months. After landing, the Starship will refuel on Mars and make a return trip, using Mars' lower gravity to launch without the super heavy booster. To ensure interplanetary communication, Starlink satellites will orbit Mars, linking back to Earth through a relay of signals, even when Mars is on the other side of the Sun. Governing Mars. A big question is who would govern Mars. Elon's idea is a direct democracy with clear, understandable laws, voted on by the people. While Mars governance may sound smooth in theory, it's a complex issue, as seen in science fiction where Mars independence often creates conflict. Final thoughts. This vision of Mars is incredibly bold, but with Elon's track record, it's not impossible. While obstacles, delays, and adjustments are inevitable, the wheels are in motion. Mars is no longer just a dream, it's becoming a near-future possibility. Are you ready to join Musk's mission to Mars in 2050? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Tesla Space for more updates on Tesla, SpaceX, and Elon Musk.